Hi kids. So tonight we're just going to do something fun, and we're going to do manwiches. And because I had this extra pound-and-a-half of ground chuck in the freezer, I took it out this morning.
Put it in the refrigerator, let it thaw during the day. We're going to have a manwich night.
So I have a half of a yellow onion and a half of a yellow bell pepper.
Bell pepper and onion.
So just going to go and throw this in here.
Absolutely.
With some, I already got garlic and onion powder, and the, what's that, McCormick's Montreal.
McCormick's Montreal seasoning. If you haven't never tried that, give it a try.
It's delicious.
It is very good.
So we're going to just get...
We hope everyone's having a great day, and thank you for watching our video. And we're going to, it's a manwich type of night. If you ain't never tried manwiches, I mean, you're missing out. Give it a shot.
They're really good.
They are really good.
Especially if you put some Kraft singles on them.
Now once we get this all meat all brown and everything, we'll drain all the grease off of it.
Absolutely, yep.
And then we'll add our manwich.
And just the smell of the onion and the peppers
with bell pepper and them onions just
the garlic.
Smells so good.
It just smells yummy. And another thing that you could do too is once you guys get this done and you add the manwich, you could actually do it with macaroni instead of just doing it on hamburger buns. Just throwing that out there.
Absolutely.
So I may do a video on that in a couple weeks. One night, maybe when the grandkids are here or something. Is that something that they would like?
Absolutely.
So just throwing out some ideas.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got her going on now.
Smells delicious.
Yes, it does. All right, we're fixing to add our manwich. Sloppy Joe mix.
I made the mistake one time of buying the bold. I was not a fan. I'm a
Some
OG.
people do like the bold though, but we like
just
this
an OG
original.
kind of girl, yeah.
But you can use either one at your preference.
I think maybe like 3 or 4 different ones now.
Do you? And that is just that easy. I mean, you get you a pound and a half of meat and get it browned up, and then mix your manwich sauce and put it on some couple pieces of toasted buns or bread.
You can do hamburger buns, you can do sourdough buns, you can do potato buns,
Whatever your preference is. We like the Hawaiian rolls.
We do.
We like the potato buns. It's just whatever you prefer.
We've done these with onion buns. Remember?
Absolutely delicious, yes.
Really good.
That's the sauce that we'll be using. Original Sloppy Joe sauce. What a fast and easy dinner. Lunch, dinner, you can use it. Brunch, whatever. And just
A late night snack.
absolutely. Well, that's plenty, Gigi. Thank you. Absolutely.
Here's the fun part.
Yep. Ta-da.
That's it.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. We hope everyone has a wonderful, blessed day. Safe and well. Thanks again for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe. Have a blessed night, y'all. Thank y'all very much.
Bye, kids. Thank you.